talk about dictionary data type. So dictionary can be defined with the key and value pair mechanism, and it can be defined with the flower braces basically. So let me take a variable called mydict. As I said, like it can be defined with the flower braces, and I'm taking the variable called values like key is like person1, and the value should be Hamish. So there is no restrict here, guys. Like a key should be in in double quotes or integer type, or value should be double quotes or integer type. So it's up to us. Like a key, either key or value can be either string type or integer type, or our wish. Both can be string or integer. So there is no restriction in that. You just remember that one. Person2. Here I am taking all string type only, key and value both. Person2 is Raju. So I'm taking currently my dict is person1 and person2 with Hamish and Raju. Let me print and see. Print my underscore dict. So person1 and person2 has printed. What like let's say I want to insert person3 as well. That also we can do as similar to list. Only difference is here you can have the key and value pair. My dict of person3 equal to Ramesh. So now let me print again my dict. So person3 Ramesh is saved. So I if I can also update the values, like, and also I can delete the values as well. Like suppose if I want to delete person3, whatever I have added earlier, my underscore dict of person3. Let me print again. So this time you cannot see this Ramesh. See, this time when you print earlier, person3 Ramesh also added. We added dynamically and we have deleted in the next two. Similarly, you can also update the value. My underscore dict of, let's say I want to Hamish everything in capital letter. Person1 equal to Hamish. Print my underscore dict. See, Hamish is updated. That's it for this lecture. With this, we wrap this data types concept and we'll move further section. Thank you, guys.